channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you guys can edit viral reels by using CapCut Mobile. First, let's go to the CapCut app and now select the video that you want to add. After selecting it, tap on add. Here you guys can find out a lot of options. Now scroll like this and tap on adjustment. Now put the contrast level in 27 and I'm going to make the saturation lower this time. After that, go to the sharpen option and put it 50. If I delete the adjustment, you guys can find out the original video, and if I put it back on here, you guys can see the differences. To make your video go viral, you have to make it eye-catching, so put the adjustment like this. And after that, I'm going to use filters on this video. I'm going to use this filter. Now I'm going to use effects on this video. Tap on effects and then go to video effects. Now choose the effect that you want to add. I'm going to choose shake effect here. I'm going to put it right here and going to extend it like this. Let's see the video. Now it's time to add some text on it. After adding the text, let's grow it a little bit, and then you guys can add text color like this. Here you guys can find out a lot of colors, but I'm going to use effects on it. That's called text effects. Well, under the basic, this one is my favorite. And now let's tap on the check mark. Now let's put the text here, and I'm going to add this color because it's look good from the previous one. Now it's time to add animation on this text. You guys will find out a lot of animation. You guys can add animation from in to out, and also you guys can add loops. I'm going to add this animation on this. And I'm going to add a loop in this text also. For this, tap on animation and go to loop, and here you guys can find out a lot of loops, so choose what you want to add, and then you guys can also make it fast or slow according to your need. I'm going to choose this one because it's look kind of good to me. Now let's add animation for the outro. You guys can also customize the time for in and also for out. Let's watch the preview. To make your video go viral, you have to add a lot of elements into your video, and I'm going to add this one. Make sure you have downloaded the elements before you edit the video. Let's add animation in that photo. I'm going to use combo animation this time because it saves a lot of times. Now let's put the photo here. It will look good after that. Now let's watch the preview. It's look good now. Let's watch the full video. So this is how you guys can edit your video by using CapCut Mobile. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.